Assalamualaikum, Dr. Wan Rashafawati. My name is Nazatu Syafiqah binti Mataib. I will present about the background of the company. We have interviewed one of the SMEs company in Perlis, which is Harmonis Cafe. The Harmonis Cafe is owned by Amalina binti Abdullah. She is 37 years old and she is a permanent resident in Perlis. So she said that the capital of this cafe is around 100,000 and she shared with her friend, which is 50-50 per person. So this is a shareholders company that she shared with one of her friends. So there are 4 employees who work for the company. By weekend, she said that she will add 2 more part-time employees to make up the business. The objective for this cafe that she has told us is to interest the coffee lovers to taste the coffee sensation in the cafe. Also to enjoy the homemade cake that they make. Next, I will present about the product detail. So the product that the Harmonis Cafe produce is brunch, high tea, coffee, and dessert. So one of the example of product details is the pastries, which is a pavlova. One of the hot selling pastries in Harmonis Cafe is a pavlova. So pavlova is a crispy white marigold, layer filled with white cream and decorated with strawberries. So the ingredient to make pavlova is cornstarch, vanilla extract, egg, and lemon juice. So mix all the ingredients. After that, preheat the oven over the 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 150 degrees Celsius. Then beat the heavy cream until a stiff peak and put on the marigold and decorate with strawberries.
The process of the caramel macchiato is step 1 is prepare and serve the espresso. Step 2 is heat the milk in a steamer. And step 3 is pouring the milk. And step 4 is top off with foam. Beside that, the Nuleta cheese tart F2, that is the crush and the filling. The crush is 1/2 cup almond flour, 1 cup coconut flour, and 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup bitter butter. And the filling is 12 ounces of Nuleta, 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 sprig of salt, and toast and chopper hazelnut for the garnish. Beside that, combine the almond flour and the coconut flour in the basin. Then egg and melt the butter. Stir the dough until it becomes together. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the dough is ready, so we flatten it into the bottom side of the 9-inch tart pan. Then using a fork, puncture the bottom of the crust and bake for the 20 minutes. Next, while waiting for the puncture, the filling can be prepared. In a light mixing basin, emulsify the cream cheese, Nuleta, herbs, and salt together. Set aside a mixture and allow the crust to chill. The subsequent step is assembly. Spread the content on the toaster crust first. Then carefully wrap the tart in a plastic wrap. Next is refrigerate the tart for 2 hours minutes. So finally is served with a rich hazelnut spring on top. So the Nuleta cheese tart is already.
Hi, I'm Tashani Subramaniam, metric number 21122060. The capacity of Harmony Cafe is analyzed based on 3 points. The first one is equipments, which is the coffee machine. They use this machine to produce more outputs on the demanding time. And they also have a backup machine, which is French press as an alternative brewing method in case there are maintenance requirements of the coffee machine. It's to avoid any other possible circumstances to happen. Next is operation time, which is Harmonic Cafe is open for 6 days a week, except Tuesday. The time is from 12 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. As we know that time was more customers to welcome, and other than that they also will focus on lunch and dinner, and also they open any other time for their customers to have a tea break or something. A third one is manage max capacity, which is the Harmony Cafe always welcomes the reservation, booking management, walk-in customers, and also queue management. All the employees are well trained to handle all these situations.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nafati Jaya bin Abdullah. I want to talk about quality of Harmony Cafe. The firstly is Harmony Cafe also make sure that the food or drink containers are always clean before they pack or serve food. In order to avoid any change, they will also make sure that the food served or packaged match the customer requirement, because they work with reputable supplier to guarantee the excellent quality of their food and coffee sources. Harmony Cafe has a good reputation too. Next, one of the techniques to draw consumer, especially students, is to sell various products like food and drink for slightly lower price to make it easier for their target clients to purchase product at the cafe. Additionally, Harmonious Cafe runs special on occasion, such as set during Ramadan and Hari Raya. Finally, not only providing quality good or product, but quality service for employees also plays an important role for this cafe to ensure customers are comfortable with the atmosphere inside the cafe. In conclusion, Harmonious Cafe is very concerned about the quality of the product they produce to ensure that their food and beverage product meet the needs of customer and also target sale, and they also place important on the quality of service for the comfort or their customer. Thank you.
For the pet location, Harmonious Cafe is located at 9 Lorong 3 Pusat Perniagaan Penggalan Jaya 01000 Kangak Perlis. Site planning is crucial for organization to choose the best manufacturing facilities, maximizing market share, reducing risk, and maximizing expenses. Factors that affect location decision of Harmonious Cafe are globalization as to complexity drivers of globalization, identify key success factors, labor productivity, cost, proximity to markets, proximity to suppliers, proximity to competitors. Factor rating method, locational cost value analysis, center of gravity methods, transportation model, service location strategy, and the geographic information system, which is GIS.
Hello doctor, my name is Devaki. My metric number is 211220513. Now I'm going to explain about layout of Harmonious Cafe. The first is entrance and welcoming area. Customers are welcomed by a stunning entryway at Harmonious Cafe, setting the scene for what is to come. Second is seating arrangements, a combination of point booths and private tables. A seating area outside might also be offered. The third is counter and ordering area. Customers can navigate the area with ease thanks to a well-planned arrangement. The fourth is beverage preparation station. As trained baristas operate outing-edge espresso machines with ease and artistic precision. The fifth is food display and preparation area. Delectable sweets and meals are carefully placed in a designated display and preparation area to tempt clients. The last is ambience and decor. Warm, soft ambient lighting creates a calming aura across the room. Human resource. As for the workers needed in operations of Harmonious Cafe, they are baristas. They have a strong command of how to use espresso equipment, green coffee beans, and make stunning latte art. For chef, a broad and savory meal is made by the chefs or cooks at Harmonious Cafe. Cashiers help customers place orders, respond to inquiries regarding the menu. For manager, maintaining productivity and making sure that all activities are completed and successfully. Work procedure used by Harmonious Cafe. Opening procedures. They guarantee that all required equipment is in good working order, that all safety and cleanliness requirements are met. Customer service procedures. They are meticulous taking previous orders and quickly entering them into point of sale system. Food and beverage preparation procedures. The method used to prepare the meals, drink guidelines. For last, closing procedures. They start a thorough cleaning process to make sure the desk, tables, and chairs are pristine.
In conclusion, the Harmonious Cafe's SOP is the most effective, focusing on operational activity like strategy, manufacturing, capacity, quality, site analysis, layout design, and human resource, enabling product or service development. And the weakness operation activity of Harmonious Cafe are the shortage of workers, and beside that, the reluctance of employees to take chance, the stringent consequences for any failure, the environment of fear and uncertainty that permits the organization. And also last but not least, the culture of inefficiency. And the improvement suggestions of Harmonious Cafe are managers can start with better scheduling, flexible schedule that give employees more control over their life and more opportunities to strike a happy balance. And aside from that, employees are hesitant to take chance, therefore managers should reward those who do. Employees that are willing to take measure risks should be praised and promoted. Finally, don't be scared of the significant repercussions of any failure, since error will teach you the proper things. This is how you will gradually advance.